What's the meaning of cascades? Cascades. Cascades.
Cascades. Cascades. Cascades can refer to a variety of things, including waterfalls, the gradual increase or decrease of something over time, or a technique in computer science for prioritizing and processing information. In the context of computer science, cascading involves breaking down a larger task into smaller, more manageable parts that are processed in order, one after another. This technique is commonly used in web development to ensure that content loads quickly and efficiently. Overall, the term cascades describes a process of gradual change or progression, whether natural or artificial.